that there's only one disease, not two, not three, one.
So I believe this doctor is on the right track. He goes on to say that mucus is the cause of diseases. He proposes a highly alkaline diet to cleanse the body of every issue. And he's right in that there's only one disease. That disease is decomposition. What we call diseases are just the symptoms of the microorganisms fighting in us. So your health, whether it's physical or mental, is directly a consequence of the microbiota. The mucus he refers to is actually a byproduct, a self-defense mechanism of these microbes that are invading us called biofilm. This creates a protective layer around the microorganism that stops our immune system and our other microbes from being able to harm it. It also prevents medicinal chemicals from being able to actually eradicate those colonies. Dr. Sebi's alkaline diet brings up a more complex issue. In general, our stomachs need to be highly acidic. Now, that diet may work for some people. It really depends on what's going on in your microbiota. Now, this brings us to one of the primary antagonists to human health, and that is Candida, a genus of yeasts with many different species. Now, Candida has a wide range of special abilities. For starters, it's one of those microorganisms that produces a very resilient biofilm to protect itself. Furthermore, Candida has the morphological ability to either become a yeast cell or a hyphal cell, and it does this based on its environment. On top of this, Candida cells are remarkably similar to human cells, making them even harder to eradicate. Candida is a very intelligent fungus, and it can occupy or colonize anywhere in the body. And this is largely due to another one of its abilities, which is it can break down metals. So all those micrometals and pollutants that you hear about, the reason why they're so bad is because Candida can break them down into nanoparticles. Once these micrometals are broken into nanoparticles, they can then pass through any part of the body. The Candida will then use those nanoparticles to start growing from. Candida also releases very complex mycotoxins. These mycotoxins can lead to almost every single health issue that we face. The Candida will start to hack your body and encourage certain things like food cravings. Candida likes sugar and processed foods. It also likes red meat, grains, and starchy foods. Candida is so adaptable it can survive in highly alkaline environments as well as highly acidic environments. So it's not about going alkaline or acidic. It's all about consuming the right chemicals that will first destroy the biofilm and then eradicate the Candida. And then you can try reintroducing the good bacteria. Since we've lost so much of our microbiota diversity, our issues have been compounding. Fungi are the primary decomposers of this world, and therefore that is what causes most of our health issues. Fungus also holds all the keys to our health. Because they feed off all these microplastics and micrometals, ideally you'd be able to get rid of the Candida and with it flush out all the toxins. Everything is about fungus.